My name is Irungo Houghton. I'm the Amnesty International Kenya Executive Director, and I'm here in Kisii town to learn and listen to Amnesty members, and in particular Amnesty Kisii chapters of Circles of Conscience. We have been very concerned by the recent protests and the violence that we have seen from the police service in terms of stopping legitimate protesters from exercising Article 37 of the Constitution. Of course, that Constitution requires protesters to be non-violent, to essentially provide public issues in a way in which it does not lead to the loss of life or to the destruction of property. It is a good time to be in. It is also a good time to be in Kisii town because less than 1 week ago we saw the conviction of the family members of baby Brighton Sagini, who have been convicted for 40 years, 10 years and 5 years respectively. And we hope that this is a deterrent, a way of stopping child rape, child defilement, sexual and gender-based violence. And we know that with the chapters of conscience here in Kisii, we can work against even issues like teenage pregnancies in our schools. So we ask all residents of Kisii to join Amnesty International, to be part of the Circles of Conscience, to bring their voice, their energy. And in particular, we call for the immediate implementation and establishment of a safe house for young minors, so that we do not have the confusion that we saw with baby Sagini.
We're so gratified that we have this opportunity. Kisii COC has just begun and we are on high ride. We want to move to the next level. We want to take this community to the highest level possible in terms of human rights advocacy.